Hello everyone, this is Tony's Reviews, and today I will be unboxing and reviewing this Garmin Fenix 6. This is a great Pro Solar model of Fenix 6. I really like this smartwatch, and right off the bat, the first things that really get my attention, it's a solar powered feature. Imagine harnessing the sun's power to fuel your adventures. That's what this watch does. The Surfline sessions is genuinely innovative in my opinion, capturing every wave you ride. For all the mountain biking enthusiasts out there, the grit and the flow measurements are about to elevate your experience in my opinion. And if you're someone who loves exploring, the preloaded topo maps and the global navigation are the best companions in my opinion. So yeah, I think Garmin did a really great job with this Fenix 6 Pro Solar, and I definitely highly recommend this product.